Hi friends! Today is a really happy day because I'm going to show you how to make 3 vegan cookies made only with wholesome ingredients. And who doesn't like cookies? First recipe we're going to make is a banana blueberry with walnuts cookie that I love because it's a perfect option for breakfast, especially in those days that you are on a hurry. And we're not gonna add any of sugar on it, so it's perfect for the whole family. The second recipe probably is my favorite out of the 3, and this is just because I'm a totally chocolate junkie. So if you are one just like me, probably you're gonna love this recipe too. This is an almond chocolate brownie cookie that has a really strong dark chocolate as a base, the flavor. So it's amazing for those people that has a sweet tooth in the middle of the afternoon. Plus, it's a really big source of antioxidants, so it's really good for your health. And the third and last recipe is this classical raisins and peanut butter cookies that is perfect for any time of the day. But first, I want to remind you to subscribe to the channel for more videos regards wholesome living and conscious practices. But for now, let's do the recipes. For that, you're gonna add 1 banana into a large bowl and you're gonna mash it pretty well. Then you're gonna add half a cup of almond flour plus 1/4 cup of apple sauce, 3 tablespoons of flax seeds, ground flax seeds, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking powder, plus another half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and you're gonna mix it thoroughly until it is well combined. After that, you're gonna stir 1 cup and 1/4 of old-fashioned oats, 2 tablespoons of walnuts, plus half a cup of frozen blueberries. And gently, you're gonna mix it thoroughly. Once you have a dough formed, using your hands, you're gonna form small balls out of the dough and you're gonna place them on a parchment lined baking tray. Then you're gonna press them down gently to create a cookie shape. And now you're gonna bake it for 15 minutes or until it is lightly golden. Remove them from the oven and let them cool for at least 10 minutes before transferring to another container. You can store these cookies in an airtight container in the fridge up to 5 days. This is a really easy and healthy way to have breakfast on the go. Just a kind reminder that all of my recipes, you can find them on my website, Rameliving.com. I'm gonna leave all of the links in the description box below. But for now, let's dive into the video. And the second and my favorite one, we're gonna make the almond chocolate brownie cookies. And we're gonna start by making a flaxseed egg by mixing 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed into 4 tablespoons of warm water. You're gonna mix it and you're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes until it forms a gel. In the meantime, we're gonna make a double boiler and we're gonna start melting 150 grams of dark chocolate. In this, I use 100% chocolate, but anything that is more than 75% works really well. Then you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, mixing until it is all melted together. Now you're gonna pass this chocolate into a large container and you're gonna add half a cup of brown sugar or coconut sugar. Then mix it until it is well combined. Then add the flaxseed egg, 1/3 of a cup of roasted almonds, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Then you're gonna place a sieve over the large bowl and you're gonna shift in the flour. Then add half a teaspoon of baking powder, another half a teaspoon of salt. Once ready, you're gonna stir until it is well combined. And please be careful to not overmix it here. Using your hands, you're gonna form little balls out of the dough and place them in a baking tray. Then gently, you're gonna press down the dough to create a cookie shape. One tip here is to decorate the cookie. What I like to do is to place small pieces of chopped chocolate on the top. Once it melts, it's gonna look super yummy. Then you're gonna place the cookies in the oven and bake them around 10 minutes. Once ready, you're gonna remove them from the oven and you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on top. This is gonna enhance a lot that chocolate flavor. Let them cool for around 10 minutes and then you can enjoy them. Like I told you guys, these are definitely my favorite ones. If you like the chocolate flavor, it's almost safe to say that you're gonna love these cookies. And last but not least, the third recipe that we're gonna make is the peanut butter and raisin cookies. The first step is to prepare the flax egg, and for that, you're gonna combine 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds in 4 tablespoons of warm water. Mix it thoroughly and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. Step 2 is to make the wet mixture. For that, we're gonna add in a large bowl half a cup of coconut sugar, the flaxseed egg, plus half a cup of creamy peanut butter, the natural, no sugar added, plus 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You're gonna mix it thoroughly until it is well combined. The third step is to do the dry mix ingredients, and for that you're gonna add on a bowl 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. I use the wheat flour, but you can use any one that you like. Then you're gonna add 1.5 cups of old-fashioned oats, half a teaspoon of the baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Then again, you're gonna mix it until it is well combined. You're gonna form a hole in the center of the bowl and you're gonna pour there the wet ingredients. You're gonna mix together with a spatula, or even if it is easier for you, you can just do it with your hands. One tip here is to get them wet, so you're gonna avoid that the dough stick on your fingers. Once ready, go ahead and add half a cup of the raisins and mix them again. Now again, with hands wet, you're gonna form 12 balls of this dough and you're gonna place them on the baking sheet. With your hands, you're gonna press down each cookie to form an even circle. You're gonna bake them for 8 to 10 minutes or until they're slightly golden. Then you're gonna remove them from the oven and you're gonna let them sit for at least 5 minutes. You're gonna see that the cookies are gonna be soft at first, but then they're gonna stiffen up once they are set. Store the leftovers in an airtight container at room temperature up to 5 days. One tip, guys, is that this is an excellent meal as a pre-workout snack. So go ahead and you can eat it before your exercise session. And with this last recipe, I finalized the video. I hope that it works really well for you and that you love these recipes. If anybody of you are gonna make them, please tag me as Rameliving on Instagram so I can share your beautiful creations with my beautiful community and we all can connect. And guys, I cannot believe that summer is around the corner. Look at these days. It's pretty sunny and it's starting to become warm. This is the first time that I wear this t-shirt. It's amazing. And please, I forgot to ask you, comment down below which one is your favorite of the 3 recipes. Okay? Bye.